I didn't grow up speaking English. I didn't study abroad. And I didn't have a perfect teacher. But somehow, I became fluent. Not by talent, not by luck, but by following a simple system consistently. In this video, I'll share 8 practical tips that help me learn English on my own, and how you can use them starting today. The real secret. Before we start, here's something important. Fluency is not about knowing everything. It's about using what you know automatically. And that only happens when English becomes part of your daily life. So let's get into the 8 tips. Tip 1. Create an English environment. This is where everything begins. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You can bring English into your life. Start with simple changes. Change your phone language to English. Follow English content on YouTube or social media. Listen to English while cooking, walking, or relaxing. The goal is simple. Surround your brain with English every day. Because you don't become fluent by studying English. You become fluent by living in it. Tip 2. Listen with focus. Listening changed everything for me. But not just passive listening. Focused listening. When you listen, pay attention to sounds. Notice how words connect. Try to catch key words, not every word. Don't panic if you don't understand everything. Focus on meaning, not perfection. The more you listen, the more your brain adapts. Tip 3. Practice pronunciation. If your pronunciation is unclear, communication becomes difficult. So don't ignore this. Practice. Individual sounds like the, v, w. Word stress. Sentence rhythm. Use shadowing. Listen, pause, repeat. Try to sound like the speaker, not like yourself. Tip 4. Practice speaking. This is where most people fail. They wait. I'll speak when I'm ready. But the truth is, you become ready by speaking. Start simple. Talk to yourself. Ask and answer your own questions. Describe your day out loud. Speaking is not about perfection, it's about action. Tip 5. Learn vocabulary the smart way. Don't memorize random word lists. That doesn't work. Instead, learn words in sentences. Learn collocations, word combinations. Learn from real content. Example. Not just decision. Learn, make a decision. Words are easier to remember when they are used in context. Tip 6. Learn grammar through use. Grammar is important, but not the way most people learn it. Don't just study rules. Use grammar in real sentences. For example, instead of memorizing, present perfect equals have plus V3. Practice. I have finished my work. I have never tried sushi. You learn grammar faster when you use it. Tip 7. Enjoy the process. If you don't enjoy learning, you won't continue. And if you don't continue, you won't improve. So, make it fun. Watch videos you like. Listen to topics you enjoy. Learn through your hobbies. Motivation comes and goes, but enjoyment keeps you going. Tip 8. Read out loud. This is one of the most underrated techniques. Reading silently helps your brain, but reading out loud trains your mouth. When you read aloud, you practice pronunciation. You improve fluency. You build speaking confidence. It connects reading, speaking. So here's the truth. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need expensive courses. You just need daily exposure, real practice, consistency. Because you don't become fluent by doing something once. You become fluent by doing simple things every day. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.